Welcome. If you are looking to refresh your look or cover stubborn grays from the comfort of your bathroom, finding the best hair color for women is absolutely essential. Today, I am sharing my top 5 favorite at-home treatments that deliver vibrant, salon-quality results. Let us dive right in. Product number 1. Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. First on my list is an incredible anti-frizz treatment that ensures comprehensive protection for your freshly colored hair. This spray captures stunning results by utilizing a groundbreaking humidity-blocking mechanism, giving you impeccably smooth strands without any heavy greasy residue. It comes equipped with an advanced ultralight formula, allowing it to maintain maximum glass-like shine for your everyday styling routine. One of the primary highlights is its long-lasting technology, enabling you to achieve salon-quality sleekness directly through 3 to 4 shampoos. It features built-in heat-protectant properties to manage your precise blow-drying route seamlessly. For added convenience and security, it includes a premium sulfate-free composition and utilizes a robust cruelty-free blend built to withstand heavy daily styling. With its wide hair type compatibility and gentle application, this setup ensures complete peace of mind for every single blowout you take inside your home. I highly recommend this fantastic spray to anyone wanting a reliable barrier against moisture and frizz without any hassle. Product number 2. Polar Hair Care Polar Hair Dye Shampoo. My next selection is a highly popular coloring shampoo that beautifully combines high performance with practical functionality for everyday gray coverage and root touch-ups. This premium setup delivers crisp dark tones from the initial application and incredibly sharp color retention from its specialized herbal formula. It utilizes an advanced 10-minute processing technology combined with an ammonia-free blend to guarantee balanced coverage in any condition, whether coloring delicate fine strands or navigating completely thick curly roots. Reviewing your new shade is exceptionally simple thanks to the integrated mess-free design, which lets you manage and lock crucial dark pigments instantly with a quick shower rinse. It provides continuous protection through multiple wash cycles, actively working to prevent unexpected fading while your color is securely held. This amazing product supports reliable, long-lasting results, automatically delivering consistent, vibrant hues to prevent frustrating salon visits. Its durable formulation offers excellent resistance for consistent operation, making it a fantastic addition to your daily beauty regimen for beautiful hair. Product number 3. L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Permanent Hair Color Kit. Moving along, I have another premium coloring option that gracefully elevates the user experience by incorporating a highly responsive precision brush and incredibly convenient 10-minute processing features. Capturing your entire root touch-up routine in brilliant high-efficiency coverage with an expansive color match, it effortlessly blends vital shades across multiple sections of fast-growing hair. The significantly enhanced low ammonia formula guarantees that your workflow remains crystal clear and perfectly unhindered during late evening styling events. Comfort is always a primary focus with this advanced kit, allowing you to use simple manual application for completely hassle-free operation, thereby drastically minimizing frustrating mess while dyeing your roots. The smart compact packaging makes it remarkably simple to hit tight hairlines or adjust gray coverage with a simple swipe of the applicator. It features an integrated conditioning developer to provide traceable softness retention in your strands. With an included high-capacity color gel, seamless continuous coverage, and a sensitive touch, it delivers exceptional styling security for your everyday needs. Product number 4. Schwarzkopf Color Ultime 1.4 Sapphire Black Hair Dye. My fourth pick takes hair coloring to a unique level with an upgraded deluxe permanent dye system that meticulously monitors absolutely everything on your strands. This innovative product captures a complete wide-degree brilliant shine, coating the front, rear, sides, and interior of your lock simultaneously in incredibly clear high efficiency. It is an ideal solution for users who want total gray elimination and complete intense black control throughout the season. Managing your extensive coloring routine is incredibly straightforward thanks to the built-in Diamond Brilliance Serum and a free-flowing creamy texture that allows you to safely refine flat tones right from your bathroom sink. The system utilizes continuous fade-resistant power to manage pigments very efficiently, seamlessly smoothing old dullness when the application process is completely finished. It also features a reliable conditioning system that immediately locks critical shine during sudden washing movements, preserving essential vibrancy. Powered by a high-performance formulation, this unique dye runs smoothly in extreme coloring sessions to give you total confidence. Product number 5. Sminktec Hair Dye Shampoo 3-in-1 for gray hair. Finally, I have an exceptionally advanced coloring system perfectly packed with cutting-edge professional capabilities and highly intelligent herbal extracts for maximum hair health boosts. This powerful shampoo safely captures true high-efficiency clarity from the main application and incredibly clear darkening from the versatile formula, ensuring all gray roots and white signs are perfectly removed. It strongly stands out by supporting true multi-surface coverage, allowing you to dye thick waves and track your hair's exact condition through your mirror even when you are standing far away. The seamlessly integrated 3-in-1 technology makes washing and conditioning incredibly fast and very convenient. It features an enhanced ammonia-free guarantee to safely capture beautifully balanced styles in tight curls or heavy damage situations. With reliable continuous color retention, a highly responsive lightweight lathering mechanism, and an optimized washout convenience, it consistently delivers exceptionally stable performance and long-term durability in absolutely any busy morning environment. I firmly believe this coloring tool will completely amaze you and transform your look. That wraps up my review of these amazing hair coloring products. Be sure to check the links in the description below to grab your favorite. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.